To record desktop audio in Audacity, go to Audio Setup Host and set the host to Windows Wasabi. In case of Mac or Linux, it's a lot more complicated and I will not be covering it in this tutorial. Once you've done that, you will find that your playback devices now also are present in the recording devices section, but now with the loopback behind them. These are your speakers, but now acting as a microphone, and you should select the one that matches your actual output. If you're not sure what the correct choice is, you can go down here onto the speaker icon and then this other speaker icon, and here it will have selected the appropriate choice that you now have to choose in Audacity as well, except of course with the loopback behind it. Additionally, in the recording channels, select stereo, as all of these outputs are stereo. If you now hit record, you will see that not much is happening, and this is by design. Audacity is now waiting for input. So if you now play back some audio, it will start recording this audio for you. And if you stop this audio, Audacity will also stop recording. If you instead want to continuously record audio, what you have to do instead is to, well, first remove this and then add another track in addition to the track that you want to record into, and make sure that under transport option you have overdub enabled. It is enabled by default. Additionally, make sure that your playback device is the same as your recording device. If they are mismatched, what will happen instead is that you will get some sort of cryptic error like -9997 or some other undesirable behavior. But if these two are the same, it now records your desktop audio, and if I now start playing the file again, you will see that it just works and continues just as is. If you run into some other error messages at this point, what you have to do instead is to go to your audio settings, and here you will find the project sample rate. This sample rate you can match with your audio devices, which you can then find again in the speaker, in the other speaker, more volume settings. And here for your speaker in question, you will find the appropriate value here. It's in my case 44.1 kilohertz, which matches my project rate. Incidentally, the sample format is not important, and you generally should leave it at 32-bit float in Audacity, as that's the format that all the effects are using as well. This is all I have for you in this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the Discord or the forum. And to see an updated version of this guide, check the link in the description. And with that, take care and goodbye.